Hello, Nick here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the keyboard of any laptop. First, you have to shut down your computer. Once your computer is shut down, you're going to need a microfiber cloth. It works best if the cloth is slightly damp, so let's go get it wet. Go over each key carefully. Make sure that you don't hit the power button until you've completed the whole entire keyboard. While you're at it, you might as well clean your screen too. Don't use the wet cloth for this. Get out a new one. Once you've cleaned your keyboard and your screen, your laptop should look beautiful again. Now I will show you how to clean a mechanical keyboard. This is slightly more difficult because the buttons have edges on them. What you're going to need to do is take your cloth, push down on one key, and clean the dirt out from the side of the other key. You can also get a Q-tip and do this. Pause the video. Once you've done the whole entire keyboard, you can resume. Once you've gone up and down all of the rows and side to side, if your keyboard has a shiny edge on the side like mine does, you'll want to get out your dry cloth and go around with that to remove any fingerprints that might be on the keyboard. Now your keyboard should be shiny and like new. The cloth you used to clean the keyboard and the screen can be dried out by hanging it overnight. Thanks for watching. This has been Nick.